हाँ हाँ, ये तो फटाफट लिख डालते हैं अपन, देर नहीं करना। हाँ लिख रहे। भाई साहब ऐसा है, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर कमल टावरी है, मैं अभी 76 साल का हूँ और थोड़ा संवेदनशील भी हूँ मगर हार्ड भी रहा हूँ। और जीवन में अभी तक जहाँ जहाँ नौकरी किया हरदम दरवाजे खुले रखे और लोगों के साथ मिलता रहा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है मैं पब्लिक सर्वेंट हूँ, जनता का सर्वेंट हूँ, किसी नेता का सर्वेंट नहीं हूँ। तो बहुत मज़ा आया। अभी मैं पिछले 30 सालों से देशी गाय, देशी बीज, देशी सोच, देशी दाना, देशी मकान, इस पर काम कर रहा हूँ। तो करते करते ये हुआ कि परसों एक बार वो हिंदी में आई थी मेरे स्वप्न में देशी गाय। उसने मुझे बोला था कि मुझे कट जाने दो, वो हिंदी में था। अभी परसों जो आई वो अंग्रेजी में बोल रही थी, तो मुझे भी बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ। देशी गाय, वो बोली अगर मेरी बात को समझाना है तो हिंदी मराठी नहीं चलेगी। इस देश के लोग अंग्रेजी समझते हैं, विशेषकर जो निर्धारक है, नेता है, आईएएस वाले हैं, आईपीएस वाले हैं, जुडिशरी वाले, सारे अंग्रेजी समझते हैं। तो उसने मुझे अंग्रेजी में अपनी व्यथा सुनाई। ये कविता बोलती है, आई वॉज स्लीपिंग डीपली इन माई कोजी बेड, I was sleeping deeply in my cozy bed and was shocked suddenly to find native cow in my dream. Native cow? Oh, she was praying. She was cajoling me. She was begging, convincing. Straight she said, I want to come to point. And I was surprised because I normally say I come to point. So that Teshi cow said, I want to come to point. Let me die. I was surprised. What is she meaning? She said, don't be surprised, oh my son. You are a Amruta Putra. You are a son of nectar. You are not born out of crime or something illegal. Please, please give me just one wish. You are a Amrut Putra. Let me be slaughtered. Only save me from Jhatka. I know I am useless burden. I cannot give you back economical returns. Why should I discard your GDP? I know you want to be progressive nation, developed nation, and GDP is your parameter. But when I have no economic value, how can I give you GDP? Emotionally, you called me Ma. Emotionally, you still called me mother cow, native cow. Your lifestyle, your language, your happiness, your culture, and your mother's welfare I am. I am your mother's mother. I am culture. I give respect. I am simple. I am like your mother. I am your mother's mother. But now the time has come. I must die. I must be killed. I must be slaughtered. Only one request. Please save me from halal. I am prepared to have jhatka. Why should you expect? Why should you save me? Why should you bother about me? I am useless. I am old. I can't give you fat. I can't give you 25 liters of milk. But my milk is nectar. But what is the use? You have no value for nectar. You have no value for truth. You have no value for honesty. I am old and useless model, unfit for your civilization. So my dear son, I only pray that immediately, don't waste your time. You need foreign exchange. You have to have export. My meat is tasty. It is appreciated outside. Only thing is, it is sold as halal meat. Please save me and make my jhatka meat. I am volunteer. You always say volunteer, volunteer, volunteer. I am ready. I am volunteer. I know. Otherwise also you give me danda. I also know, otherwise you throw me, get out, get out, get out, get out. Otherwise also you have stopped giving me first chapati. Your mother, grandmother used to keep first chapati for cow. But what is the use now? No need of reminding you. You won't listen. You have very good sleep in your nice bed. Enjoy. You can have AC also. If you are not happy with one, have 3. Very good. I don't mind. But just be kind to me. I am prepared to be slaughtered. I am prepared to fight for your GDP. Lock, stock and barrel. You could finish all my generation. Mechanically you could move. Stylishly you could live. Taxpayer money you can waste. But my just small request, prayer, humble. Please let me die. Let me be butchered. Let me be killed. Let me be exported. Just save me if you can from my halal death. My dear, I am not your mother. I also know you don't respect your own mother. So why should I bother about your mother's mother when I know very well how selfish you are? But now no point. I am tired. I am hopeless. I am absolutely liability. I pray just don't fight with anybody, don't argue, just let me depart by Jhatka system. I was sweating. Kamal Tauri, oh, what happened? I called myself Bhai Kamalanand. What is happening? Breathless. Myself, I had tears in my eyes. I promised to do best possible. I shouted. I redefined. But I know my limits. I know government. I know GDP. I know automatic slaughterhouses. I know the cruelty. I know the support they have from the government. I know beef meat is popular. Not only India, not only abroad, all over. The German fellow had told me that the cow meat of Kerala is very good. I know, but now what to do? So I decided I cannot stop her butchery. She has to die. She has to be killed. Only thing that can help is the COVID, the Corona, the COVID-19 climate emergency, the post-COVID, the urgency to leave human civilization, the organic, the value of natural treatments, the grass, the convergence, the coordination, they may help in saving the native cow. Native cow is a part of the native culture, native civilization, native lifestyle, and by only fitting her in the overall holistic context, that the real development will take place, real ahimsa will stop, and so that all needs marketing, 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 marketing. Whether it is cow's love, or whether it is cow's urine, or whether it is cow's bullock, we have to redefine, re-engineer, demystify what we have been taught. The health is health of all, including environment. Without Deshi cow, I think our environment will not be sustainable. I was really shocked, terrified, afraid, but now I'm convinced I got double energy that she is just asking for a genuine, reasonable, humanitarian display. She said, I'm volunteer to die. I know you need my death. But she just pleaded for what? Give me Jhatka death. Save me from halal. What a reasonable, what a great demand. I started weeping. I hope you appreciate our response.